The OnePlus 6 will make its official debut on 17th of May at a launch event in London, the company has confirmed. According to rumors, the phone will be available to buy less than a week later on 21st of May. OnePlus 6 leaks point to an Android smartphone that combines faster speeds with a trendy all-screen with notch design while remaining affordable next to other flagship devices. The OnePlus 6 is a perfect smartphone, loaded with every feature you would expect your smartphone to have. It will be a treat to own this smartphone with such a massive RAM capacity and huge internal storage, especially for gamers. Moreover, the smartphone is IP68 certified, which makes it a great product to own for its water-repellent and dust-proof characteristics. The OnePlus 6 also comes with the Avenger Infinity War Edition. Display. The OnePlus comes with a 5.7-inch screen with Super AMOLED display technology and a resolution of 1440 by 2560 pixels. The smartphone features Corning Gorilla Glass protection which makes the screen scratch-resistant. The touchscreen responses quickly and offers a multi-touch facility. Processor. It is powered by an octa-core processor and is assisted by a massive 8GB RAM for flawless performance. The smartphone runs on the latest operating system with Android v8.0, Oreo. Camera. The smartphone features dual front-facing cameras with 16MP resolution and comes with a front LED flash to promise quality selfies and video calling. At the rear, the smartphone features a high-resolution camera with 23MP resolution, which is assisted by dual LED flash and with super slow-mo. Battery. The device is fueled by a non-removable Li-polymer battery with a capacity of 3,500 mAh. The battery provides a longer backup to the device and supports dash charge technology for quick charging. Storage and connectivity. The OnePlus 6 provides you with a massive storage capacity of 128GB built in the device. You get the chance to store as many files of videos and songs and install as many apps as you wish. It does not have a microSD card slot, as the internal storage is itself so huge you will hardly run out of storage. The smartphone comes packed with all standard connectivity options that include 4G network support, Wi-Fi with hotspot, v5.0 Bluetooth, NFC and GPS. Please share the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.